Why are you panicking? Look at the way that we handle it. Look at the way that we